Okay, let's go to page 394, section 6.1. Let's look at number 30. Number 30, for this section, we're going to reduce trinomial or reduce polynomial. So y to the third power y minus 4. Here we have y squared y minus 4. When you try to divide a fraction, if top and the bottom you have exactly the same number, you cancel out. So here we're going to cancel out the y minus 4. So we have y to the third power and y squared. And when you're dividing the same base, we call the y the same base. I always use large exponent to minus smaller exponents. My large exponent is on the top, so I'm going to keep my y on the top. So here will be y to the third power minus 2, so my answer just equal to y. Okay, now let's look at number 32. Number 32, we have 2x plus 7 times parenthesis of x minus 1 over 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 7. Again, when you divide top and the bottom, you have exactly the same number, you cancel out. So here we're going to cancel out the 2x plus 7. So here my answer is equal to x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Okay. Now let's look at number 34. Number 34, we have 5y squared times parenthesis of y plus 8 over 15y. Then here we have y minus 8. Now, the number inside the parentheses, they are not the same, so we cannot cancel out the number inside the parentheses. But over here, let's look at the number in front of the parentheses. We have top, we have 5. The bottom, we have 15, so we can reduce this, so 15 become a 3. Then also, for the y, we can divide the y, so cancel, this become what? A 1, so be y to the first power on top. So my answer is equal to y times y plus 8 over 3 times y minus 8. Then that's it. That's my answer. Okay. Now let's look at number 38. Number 38, we have 5r minus 20 over 3r minus 12. Over here, we need to find out the greatest common factor for the numerator and also for the denominator. So here, 5 can go into 20. 20 we can factor out was 5 times 4. So here, the common factor for the top, okay, for the numerator will be 5. So I'm going to factor out the 5. So we have r minus 4 inside the parenthesis. For the denominator, 3 can go to 12. 3 times 4 equal to 12. So the common factor for the denominator is 3. So here we're going to factor out the 3. The inside, whatever we cannot factor out, so inside the parenthesis we have r minus 4. Now, top and the bottom both have r minus 4, so we cancel out the r minus 4. So my answer will be 5 over 3. Okay. Now let's look at number 42. Number 42, we have n squared minus 25 over 4n minus 20. Okay, so for the numerator, I'm going to keep the n squared. I'm going to change 25 to a 5 squared. For the denominator, 4 can go to 20. So here we have, let me see the erasers over here. Let me erase this. Okay, so it'll be 4 times 5 equal to 20. So my common factor is 4. So I'm going to factor out the 4. Then inside the parenthesis, I have n minus 5. Now, let's go back to the numerator. The numerator, the top will become difference of 2 squared. So we're going to do the difference of 2 squared. Factor out will be n plus 5. n minus 5. Denominator, I'm going to keep the 4 times n minus 5. Now, top and bottom, we both have n minus 5. So we're going to cancel out the n minus 5. So therefore, my answer is equal to n plus 5 over 4. Okay. Now, let's look at number 46. Number 46, we have y squared minus 5y minus 14 over y squared plus y minus 2. So here, top and bottom, you can see we're going to factor out the trinomial, which is related to chapter 5.2. So 5.2 is very, very important. You have to know how to factor the trinomial. So the top, we're going to factor out the trinomial. This will be plus and minus. Okay, so it will be a minus 7 2y. The denominator also will be a plus and minus. So it'll be 2, 1, y, and y. Now, after you do the factoring, top and the bottom both have y plus 2, so cancel out the y plus 2. So my answer will be y minus 7 and y minus 1.